Welcome back to KNX Preparatory course offered by Glotech Academy. In this session 3.3, we shall know about installing ETS software. To start, we must go to my.knx.org and sign up to create an account with your credentials. You may need to verify by following verification link on email. Know that the account is created, please log in. Next, click on the Shop menu. Next, click on ETS. Now click on the button saying Download Demo. This will download a demo version of latest ETS. After download, one needs to install it on the PC. Make sure it has Windows as operating system. Once you start ETS, you may click on Start Demo. On the main dashboard, you may use New Project menu to create a project. Further session is going to be live on Zoom. Please send the WhatsApp message to the Glotech team about the next schedule of the live session. You may scan the QR code to message Glotech. In the live session, we shall understand more about ETS programming. See you soon.